Okay, good afternoon, class. Um, this is a video on perpendicularity. Okay, we've taken about this topic already, but then some of you were not able to attend the discussion and are asking me to make a video or asking me about that they can still, they cannot still figure out the answers. So this tangram would be a very good example of that. Okay, so we're going to solve the variables using the concept of perpendicularity. Perpendicular means that the angle that is formed is 90 degrees. Okay? So in this case, class, we know that line AD is perpendicular to line EC. Okay? Since they are perpendicular, then we know that this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is also 90 degrees. Okay, so that would mean that the measurement, oops, I will just change the color of that, okay, into this one. Okay, this means to say that angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees and angle EBD is also equal to 90 degrees. With this given, class, we can solve for the value of y from this. Okay, since we know, class, that angle ABC is 90 degrees, then from that detail alone, we can get the value of y. So measurement of angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. What is that? Let us substitute the value of the measurement of ABC, which is 3y plus 15 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So we went the whole number to go to the other side. So we subtract 15 on both sides of the equation. Okay, this just cancels out. We have 3y equals 75. Okay, now we're going to divide both sides by 3. That cancels. Y is equal to 25. Since we know the value of y already, it's now time for us to solve for x. Okay, let us solve for x. Oops. Let's write in here, solve for x. Okay, we have this, class. We have angles EBF and then angle FBD. And we know, class, that this whole angle, both of this angle, so EBF and FBD will be equal to 90. So the measurement of angle EBF plus the measurement of angle FBD is equal to 90 degrees. So let's substitute. We know that this is 7x plus 10 plus 18x. Oh, that's 8x, sorry. That is 8x. 8x plus 5 equals 90. What is 7 plus 8? That would be 15x plus 15 equals 90. Okay, let me cut that short. Now I can say that x is equal to 5. Okay? Any questions? If there is none, then I hope that this would help you figure out the student activity on perpendicularity. Have a great day!